Last heaven. Oh my god. Another chopper? Ah, I'm hurt from that. Oh fuck. Oh, fuck.
No, I was reloading!
What am I stuck on?
Right there. What? Huh?
Of course, dude.
Fucking goddamn helicopter.
Of course.
Just took it out.
You're up.
I have the weapons case.
Plates,
Yeah,
like a
there.
motherfucker.
Oh shit. There's company.
Oh no, I'm down.
Oh no. Oh, you got me. I got run over by the train.
Oh no. Okay, do it.
Whoa, wait.
He's sniping from your right. Wrong way.
Oh no!
Yeah, he's sniping from behind us. He just wants the fucking weapon case.
God damn it.
That was lit. I don't even care. That was awesome.
Yeah.